welcome back. I'm over here warming my hands over this hot plate because I'm still freezing cold from going outside earlier in the show.
It is dangerously
cold. It is dangerously cold. I'm happy to be back inside. We're hoping you stay inside. I mean, you can't try this at home. We're doing another
definitely.
experiment.
If the kids want to try it, make sure you have adult supervision because we're talking about some really hot plates.
Yes.
Boiling water. So the experiment here, to show you how cold it is outside, is that when you have boiling hot water, the water molecules want to spread apart. Just like we would want to in the summertime. We wouldn't want it, we're all hot and sweaty. We want to be
sticky. You don't want to be around other people.
During the winter, though, it's the complete opposite. You want to be close together. Okay, and that's what these water molecules are going to do. So they're boiling in there now. They're spread all apart. Once we flip it over, though, into the ice cold water, we already did it once, but what do you think's going to happen?
Let's do it and we'll find out.
We'll find out. Okay. Which one? Who do you want to go first? Pepsi, Coke, or your Monster can?
You can tell it's mine. There's lipstick on it. Let's go ahead and do the Monster can.
Do the Monster one? Okay. Let's slide that over just a little bit. Okay.
1,
2, 3. Whoa! Look at that.
Scares me every time.
And it's all because it's really super cold and it's contracting that quick.
Right, the molecules are all spread out and then it
tightly
goes into
packed
the cold and
within just seconds.
All right.
And that's how cold it is outside. So we're going from, we're all nice and happy in here. When we walked outside, we're the same way. Yeah.
They condense, which is why the can condenses.
Exactly.
All right.
We'll do a Pepsi, and then I'll leave the other two for you.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2,
3. Whoa! Look at that.
Right. All right, my turn.
You know, the kiddos love this experiment when I go do school talks.
Yeah.
This is like their favorite.
All right, ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
I jump every time. I get scared so easily. Okay, let's dump out the water there.
Dump out the water there so we don't make a mess.
All right, and last but certainly not least, let's do this one. Ready?
3,
2,
1. Flip it! Whoa! All of them work.
All right.
And see, that's how we like science experiments to go. Look at that. Oop. You know, we've had some ups and downs with the experiments this morning.
When we tried to do this one outside, it didn't work because the cans were
so
hot,
cold.
but when we went outside, the cans cooled off too quickly, and so when we put it in the water, it didn't work.
They weren't changing as much in the way of temperatures.
Right.
But we've also tried the bubbles, which is a good experiment. You can see them freezing. You got a few to freeze right onto the table. They were also blowing away, and you can see them crystallizing as they're blowing away. You can throw a cup of hot water out and watch the steam.
And it turns to steam immediately as it hits the freezing air. And we did the T-shirts
We did the T-shirts. That one was really cool. Froze solid because it was so cold out there in just seconds.
If you missed it, we had T-shirts. We dumped it in a bucket of water, left it out to freeze, and in a matter of minutes, the entire shirt was just solid. It turned to ice.
And if you missed any of them, maybe we'll try to recap a few of them on Facebook after the show as well.
All right. Well, thank you so much. We'll be right back with more news and weather after the break.
Stay warm.